My name is Juan and I'm from Long Island, New York. I decided to attend Detail King because I'm looking to start up my own detailing business, and these guys have provided a ton of information for me, which has helped me choose in what direction I want to start. It's very informative. They teach you how to network, how to assess your competition, and to building your business. Proper procedures and steps to take on how to correct paint. I also learned how to identify scratches that I won't be able to get out, so I can let the customer know ahead of time before I do the job. I learned how to clean the headliner and if I can repair it or not.